This activity is for the Invictus Games Foundation. We have got 14 athletes from 8 countries, from all over the world, some of which never seen snow before. We've got them in snow and we have taught them classic and skate skiing, and we have just started doing a little bit of an introduction to biathlon, so skiing and shooting.
So we all have disabilities or things that bother us, and in order to overcome those challenges, you have to face them.
That was brutal.
And I've never been skiing Nordic, so that's why I'm here, to learn.
Being in the environment where everybody's in the same boat definitely helps, because you understand you're not alone, and that makes you bond quicker and recover faster.
I think it's absolutely stunning. I keep having to stop to go, wow, and kind of take it in.
Technically, they call me a walking quadriplegic. I was in the wheelchair for years. I got out of the wheelchair. I fell during COVID because I was running, because I wanted to do marathons. And then I ended up back in the wheelchair. And I think 2021, I got out of the wheelchair again and I'm walking again. And I thought, why not? Let's try skiing.
That was awesome.
Oh my God!
That was cool.
Oh, that was scary.
Okay,
that felt great once I did it.
Nice.
The staff are absolutely wonderful. They're so patient.
Each individual has got their own little hurdles to overcome, and we've seen that manifested already across the last week in a variety of ways, and I am sure there are more to come.
I feel like I've hit a brick wall. At the moment, I can't see a way round it, which is coming downhill under control. And it's really frustrating. But I will find a way.
Yeah. But don't mind the knees. Just have the knees as far as away from each other as possible. So
it was a big part of my life, and I didn't realise how much it meant to me until I got back on skis and got out. Being able to skate again is a massive milestone. That feeling you get when you're just up in the mountains on skis, there's nothing else like it. It's powerful, it really is.
Everybody is really nice. The instructors are super great. They're really good at what they do.
They're incredibly gifted athletes, and they've all competed at the top tier level of the sport, but they're kind and caring people.
Well done, pulled it back on the final shoot.
They've got a pretty challenging test at the end where they will do a traditional biathlon format race to really push themselves and see how much they've learned over this last 10 days. It's really nice to see people achieve something, particularly when they think that they couldn't.
If you weren't afraid to begin with, then you're not brave. You just do regular stuff.
It took everything in me to just try it. But once I got out here, I realized, okay, I can do this. We have support. Let's move forward.
Save me now. I'm slipping so far down. It's only you I trust. To save me from this, I don't know how I got into this spot. I don't know where it ends, so I could use your helping hand tonight.
What do you get?
about being an amputee. So far, I've found there's nothing you can't do. The trick is understanding you can't do it the way you did it before.
I found out that I was able to do Nordic skiing. Really good experience here, and I suggest that everybody that has the courage to do it should do it.